Look at that, ball. Look at what time that said. Y'all are sleeping. Fuck traffic. I feel so bad for my wife driving to. It sucks. Y'all, pay the buck. Pay the fucking $1.80. Take that HOV. Look at all these fucking peasants. Better fork over that dollar. They ain't even got guards at the gate. You come right in. Worth, man, it's like the Big Apple up there, boy. Foggy buildings and shit. This guy following me over here so you can make the buy on this TRX90. See there? The Garda truck. Downtown Fort Worth, Texas, baby. Look at there. Piss everybody off. That's the funnest thing about Fort Worth is just pissing everybody off. And it ain't hard. You just fucking say the Cowboys suck, or the Rangers suck, or the Mavericks suck, or you fucking tell them the Stars fucking suck. You tell them the stock show is a fucking circus, a dog and pony show over there at the Fort Worth Stockyards. That'll piss them off. Tell them Ford's better than Chevy. That'll piss them off. Pretty easy to piss people off in Fort Worth. Boy, south of 30 in Fort Worth. They put the nice buildings over there and Proges over here, man. It's like the fucking Mason-Dixon line right here. Got your upscale shopping right down. All your easy come-ups, robberies. You got your stabs and your shanks and your freaking hold-ups and your, you know, your good old just asking for money, taking money, stealing cars, all that right there. And they just cruise home right there. It's a pretty sweet setup for people in Fort Worth. It's good for anybody who wants to be a criminal, steal stuff, break into shit, shoot them, be in a gang. What else could you do in Fort Worth? You can go see the stock show. It's always fun. It's actually pretty nice over here, boys. Purdy. And they got speed jumps. Hell yeah. There's a TRX. Got her done. Pretty damn slick little TRX. All original. Uh-huh. $350. I'm stoked on that. Give you one better. 2005 TRX90. Where's Rollo? Give me that, man. Give me that. What are you excited about? You ain't chasing shit. Sweet. Sweet. Cleaning up. Put some clamps on. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna heat it up. Once the engine gets good and warm, I'm gonna change the oil. Probably change the spark plug. Run pretty good. Now I gotta wash the sumbitch and maybe even slap some SC1 on it. Yeah, she got a good little throttle response. Man, all done. Not bad for 350. You know there's another TRX around here somewhere with the CR85 in it. I haven't ridden it in a little while, but she's good to rip whenever. I can pull her out of there and rip her around if I want. Makes this yellow one look slow.